Tired of fumbling for your wallet? Let's get your Apple Pay Cash card topped up directly from your bank account, making paying with your iPhone a breeze. First, locate and tap the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's usually on your home screen, but you might need to swipe through a few pages to find it. Once you're in the Wallet app, find your Apple Cash card. It might be labeled as Apple Cash, or show the Apple logo with the word Cash next to it. Tap on it. On the Apple Cash card screen, look for the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is the menu button. Go ahead and tap on that. A menu will pop up. Select the option that says Add Money. It should be clearly visible in the list of options. Now you'll see the Add Money screen here. You can choose a preset amount to add, or manually enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank account. Use the number pad to enter your desired amount. Next, you'll need to choose which bank account you want to use. If you already have a bank account connected to Apple Pay, it will be listed here. If not, you'll need to add a bank account by following the on-screen instructions. Review the details on the confirmation screen: €, the amount, the bank account, and the Apple Cash card you're adding to. Once you're sure everything is correct, tap the Add button at the top right of the screen. You may be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once authenticated, the transfer will begin, and your Apple Cash card balance will be updated almost instantly. You're now ready to use Apple Pay.